All right, we're at this customer's house. He's doing some work in his backyard to fill in some dirt, and he busted a sewer line pipe and he wants a clean out installed. So what I'm gonna do is, I already cut the pipe, but you can see where he busted the hole in it. I just put it back for the video, and you can see what he's got going on here. He's about to put a French drain system in here. I'm gonna help him with that, so the water won't fill up in this hole entering his house. Over on this side, this pipe goes on and goes onto a septic tank around by the fence over there. I'm gonna install a clean out over here so that a plumber in the future can run his cable from here and reach the septic tank, and then also run it backwards and reach his pool house. So that's where we at right now. It's Todd with Master Drain Services, and I'll come back when I'm done so I can show you what I did. All right, this is the drain from the little French drain system from closest to the house. This drain. With the jetter on it right now. All right, everybody, Todd with Master Drain Services here. This is a wrap for this little job here. Just so you can see what I did. Fixed that broken pipe right there with the coupling and a Fernco 4-band. And installed the clean out right here, again with a 4-band Fernco. Our plumber friends will say something about that sanitary tee on his back, but given the elevation of this property right here, he really doesn't have any height between the top of the clean out and the grade of the earth. So this is a practical solution. Spent most of my day actually trying to help him clear his storm drain. He's got one right here, he's got one on the other side over there. Ran my jetter, ran my cable, ran my jetter again. Finally got it to clear. Comes out in the culvert in front of the house. So that's it for this job. If you need any drain cleaning work, give me a call. It's Todd at Master Drain Services. Take care.